So what's the solution? You need to help your body fight these toxins at the cellular level. To understand what happens, think of a nice, shiny apple. Looks good, but what happens when you cut a little skin off the apple? Starts to turn brown, right? And what happens if you let that apple sit out on the counter for a while? It starts to rot and get sticky, right? This is the result of a natural process called oxidative stress. Can oxidative stress affect your cells? Yes. If the toxins attack and break through the skin of your cells, that's the plasmatic membrane that surrounds and protects the machinery of the cell. If that protective membrane is damaged by toxins or free radicals, it's like taking a knife and cutting a little skin off the cell. Then, just like the apple, the cell begins to rot and die. And as it rots, it gets sticky. And what do you think it sticks to? Well, to some extent, this depends on your personal makeup. But if you're diabetic, these sticky cells are going to stick to the inside of your coronary arteries. As the sticky cells build up, the flow of blood is restricted to your extremities, like your feet. So what happens if a diabetic bangs their foot? It's very easy for an infection to set in, isn't it? Why? Because the blood flow to the feet is restricted. And since your circulatory system is the highway of your immune system cannot get down there to do its job. That's why it's so easy for an infection to set in and get out of control. And let's face it, the outcome of this problem is not good for a diabetic. And that's just the start of the problems. If free radicals simply killed a cell, it wouldn't be so bad. The body could just regenerate another one. The problem is free radicals often injure the cell, damaging the DNA, which creates the seed for disease, says Jeffrey Bloomberg, a PhD and a professor of nutrition at Tufts University in Boston. So, how do you protect your cells from this kind of damage? Of course, it's a good idea to minimize the toxins that you are taking into your system. But in today's extremely toxic world, you need to do more. You need supplements that are specifically designed to protect your cells from damage. To this end, Dr. Crinnion has developed a specially prepared bioactive whey protein isolate called Amino ICG. This powerful supplement delivers vital nutrients deep inside your cells so that your own cells can manufacture a critical molecule called glutathione. Why is this important? Because glutathione is your body's master antioxidant, and as such, it puts a shield of protection around your cells that neutralizes free radicals and toxins before they can do any damage. Now, why is glutathione called the master antioxidant? Because it's the main antioxidant in your body. It is like the main gear that drives all of the other gears in your antioxidant system. In fact, out of all the antioxidants, and there are about 4,000 known antioxidants, none of them will work without the presence of glutathione. When toxins invade your body, one of the first things to suffer is your immune system. It becomes overworked and overstressed when combating a toxic overload. As it turns out, your immune system runs on a fuel. What is that fuel? It is the same molecule called glutathione. A growing body of evidence demonstrates that your immune system needs an optimal level of glutathione to function properly. But there's more. Glutathione is the most powerful detoxifying enzyme in your body. So, if you want to get the toxins out of your system, then you are going to want to be sure to give your cells the food they need for making this super detoxifier, and that's what Amino ICG does for you. In addition, toxins can seep inside our cells and attack the mitochondria. What are the mitochondria? Here you see illustrated a cross-section of a cell that includes the mitochondria. Simply put, the mitochondria are the power supplies of every cell in your body. When toxins overwhelm the insides of your cells, they compromise the ability of the mitochondria to provide the energy necessary for your cells to function properly. This can cause major damage to your health, and fatigue can become a huge issue, and a person may have difficulty thinking, remembering, and reasoning. Now, you can feed your body all sorts of vitamins in an attempt to overcome this. But if the mitochondria are not working, it's like delivering a truckload of material to a manufacturing plant during a power outage. What good will that material do sitting on the dock if there is no power to run the plant? So, as toxins build up in your body, one of the first symptoms of trouble is energy loss. Now, glutathione helps protect the mitochondria inside of the cell. However, as powerful as glutathione is on its own, Dr. Crinnion developed a synergistic blend of targeted, highly concentrated natural extracts that are specifically designed to zero in on and renew the energy-producing heart of the cell, the mitochondria. This supplement is called Mitolife, and taking just 1 ounce of this highly effective nutraceutical for 30 to 90 days can make a remarkable difference in your energy levels and your vitality. What's in Mitolife? Just 1 ounce contains everything you see on the screen in an aloe vera base. 1.5 pounds of broccoli extract, the equivalent of 12 cups of green tea, which is a proven cancer-fighting agent. 1/2 pound of elderberry, and 1/2 pound of grape juice, skins and seeds. 1/2 pound of cancer-fighting mangosteen. Incidentally, there is more mangosteen in 1 ounce of Mitolife than there is in an entire bottle of Zango. 1/2 pound of blackberry leaf and fruit, and 1/2 pound of wolfberry, for a combined total of 3.5 pounds of the botanical components in each ounce of Mitolife. Imagine all that in just 1 ounce. And all these ingredients are proven to protect, restore, and optimize mitochondrial function. And did you notice that there's no sugar? Although Mitolife has a pleasant berry taste, Dr. Crinnion does not allow any sugar in his products, as sugar reduces the liver's ability to clear toxins, and this prolongs the length of time toxins are in the blood. This also means that Mitolife is great for diabetics. Now, some claim to have near miraculous results by taking either one or the other of these products. However, they're actually designed to work synergistically together. One maximizes and enhances the efficiency and the function of the other. So when you combine Amino ICG and Mitolife together, they work in partnership to take your health several steps further ahead than if you were just taking one of the products on its own. As a result, our repeat orders are the highest in the industry. When people start taking these products, they just don't stop. Now, how would you like to get your products for free? Well, at Mitogenx, we want everyone to be able to afford our life-enhancing products. So, we put together a referral program where the company will pay you for telling others about the benefits you are receiving from our products. And we make it really simple. When you purchase $49.95 worth of products, you become a preferred customer, and we give you your own website and back office. Plus, you get 20% commission from any customers who order through you. Just think, that means if you tell 5 or 6 people about this and they start using the product like you are, then all of your products are paid for. Now, what happens if you really like the Mitogenx products and you end up telling a lot of people about them? Well, in that case, you might get a much bigger check in the mail at the end of the month. And if that's appealing to you, you may decide to take this even further. So if you want to increase your energy and dramatically improve how good you look and feel, if you want to be more focused and see your productivity soar, and if you would like to live a healthier and happier life with fewer immune-related problems, then please get back with the person who invited you to this presentation and let them help you get started now. Thank you for spending some of your valuable time with us.